So now we're talking about Joseph's Dream. It's numbers 1 through 7 at your success. And we bought this ticket for 75 kush only. So I want to further elaborate on the show supermarket, okay, where we all go to pick one or two things for ourselves and then feel alright. So we have specific prices for it. And I'm the contractor for this particular newsletter. So here you can see lots of prices for it. My email is j.hacker@yahoo.com if you're not paying. So now I want to give God the glory for the National Diplomatic Institution and PDP, People's Democratic Party, NDP, National Democratic Party, and the descending of all languages today, which was incensed from the time of the Tower of Babel. And we thank God for the stapler, which is actually the confirmation today. So let's take final toilet flush. This is where we're hoping on the government to do something spectacular for us because it's become a very difficult situation. And at this point in time, we want to choose one of the projects to finalize our issue. Then let's see if we can pick the toilet flush. Alright, so at this point in time, we're still going to
Day
first of all,
after
we're going to see
day,
the cops and snakes.
time passes away,
And here,
and I just can't get you off my mind.
Done.
Nobody knows, I hide it inside. I keep on searching, but I can't find the courage to show.
We got the courage to share, yeah. So it's a very beautiful thing, and then we want to bless God finally. All thanks to